Dogecoin at the moment at its all-time highs, almost 73 cents at the moment of filming this video. And I want to show in this video a couple things: how to value something, how to look at the value of something, and also we'll take a look at what to look for if you own Dogecoin. We're gonna look at the numbers. We're gonna look at people who own this coin, and also I have to disclose I do not own any Dogecoin. Okay, I'm not biased one way or another. I'm someone who makes money for a living trading stocks, but I don't trade cryptocurrencies. But here's something I would look at if I was in it or if I was about to get in: how to find value in these things that have been returning. If you look at this 3 months time frame in Dogecoin, 800%. If you look at 1 year, 27,000%. So let's take a look at one thing before we jump into Dogecoin stuff. It's market capitalization of the coin at the moment. I find it very interesting. A few hours ago, the Binance CEO, I think he posted this screenshot where Dogecoin market cap almost exceeds $95 billion. Okay, $95 billion. That's the value. That's how much the outstanding, pretty much existing, whole existing coins combined worth, right? Just to put in perspective, I'm gonna show you guys companies that are worth less than the market cap of Dogecoin, and what if this coin goes to $1? Like, how much it will be worth. So let's just, for people, like for ordinary people, right? Like, just to put in perspective, what companies out there, some of you are familiar with some of them, you're not familiar with the rest, but just to put it in perspective, there's a stock, Micron, right? Micron Technologies. This company worth is 96 billion, okay? And its stock sitting at $85. So to me, it sounds like Dogecoin at 73 cents is pretty much buying Micron at $86 levels. So it pretty much means the same for me, whether buying one share of Micron or one, I don't know how many you can buy for this price, maybe hundreds of Dogecoin. Same thing with AMD. This is a chip maker worth 95 billion. Also, Booking.com. It's $2,300 stock, but this worth around $95 billion. And then there's ServiceNow, Airbnb is worth around 93 billion. Uber is worth around 87 billion at this price. And there's many other examples, like FedEx is worth 83 billion. That's the market capitalization. General Motors is worth 85 billion. Okay, just to put it in perspective. Okay, we're pretty much done with this. But if Dogecoin goes to $1, it could be worth more than Square, more than Target, more than 3M, hell, more than even IBM, Caterpillar, or even Starbucks or Boeing. This is just for those people who don't know how to value things. This is what I look at. I don't look at the price. I look at the value. What's the company worth? Okay, that's what I look at. So now from here, if you're someone who's trading Doge, I would say as a technicals, there's not much to look at. We had a little bit of a resistance here at 45 cents. Let me expand this chart where we can see that this 40 cents, this was a resistance, right? This is going to be supporting case if this coin is about to be trading at that level. But the key from this video, I want to show you another thing. So if you don't know about this website, BitInfo Charts, you can look up pretty much the accounts or wallets that own Dogecoin, or even other coins, right? But in this video, we're gonna just look at the Dogecoin, okay? If you're someone who owns it, I mean, if I was to own this thing, this is what I would keep an eye on, okay? So Dogecoin rich list. So let's say there's 100% of Dogecoin, right? And you can see on this chart right here, who are the biggest players? Where is the money going? What these guys are doing? Okay, if you're someone who is a retailer, you would be in this bracket somewhere right here. Okay. Oh my God, sorry about that. Maybe even I will capture this percentage right here. So if you are someone as a retail trader like me, you own anywhere from 3.6 Doge, from $2.50 all the way till 33 million, let's say, right? So all the retail, I want to say, are concentrated here. And all these people only represent, I want to say, even less than half a percent of all existing coins. Okay, so you could agree, you could disagree, but that's what I think. And there's one guy right here, the biggest wallet. Look at these percentages. How much? What's the percentage of Dogecoin they own? One wallet owns 28% of Doge. Another 12 accounts, pretty much wallets, they own 18% combined. Another 88 wallets, they own 19% of Doge. So pretty much 98%, I want to say even 99%, is owned by these big guys. It could be a fund, it could be hedge fund, it could be any of those big boys, because 25 billion one wallet, that's crazy. And another 12 combined, 16, almost 17 billion. So if you are trading, if you are like trying to set targets, you can scroll down, you can keep an eye on these guys, what these guys are doing. Let's take a look at this biggest address, right, that owns 28% of Dogecoin. So we can look up his transactions. Like if I was trading stocks, I would keep an eye on biggest investors who are coming into the stock, or what insiders are doing, because if you want to make money in the market, you need to follow the money, right? Where is big money going and what they're doing? So far, we can look by transactions, pretty much daytime. You will see everything, their balance right here. You can look up pretty much what they're doing, like what they're buying. These are their purchases, and next to it, their time frames when they were buying them, how many, for how much. And you want to keep an eye when these guys start selling, okay? And also you can see the prices that they paid. And pretty much these guys, like if I scroll down all the way for a month or two, I can see they have placed a lot of small orders. But you want to look through their biggest transactions. Say they have been dollar cost averaging, pretty much buying. And right here, April 12th, they unloaded 100 million Doge at 7 cents. Okay, so I want to, like, if I was trading Dogecoin, I would follow all of these guys, what they are doing, what they are up to, because they are moving the price, not retail. Okay, don't think that 0.5% of retail is moving Dogecoin. No, I never believed even in stocks. Retail is just, we showed you 0.5%. You decide nothing. You can just buy, hold, follow these guys. But at the end of the day, these big boys who own, like, let's take a look at the second biggest holder, right? They own 3.9 almost 4% of the whole Doge float, right? And you can see their transactions that they move the market, they move the price when they buy, when they keep buying. Okay, when there's no like they're not supply, they're not selling. If they happen to put out at least 1 or 2% of their coins for sale out there, retail wouldn't be able to absorb those those coins, because at the end of the day, that's the game of the name, supply demand. When there's less supply, when there's less sellers and more buyers, it will keep going up. And if you look at this guy as well, they have been buying at, oh my god, even below a penny in 2012, 2013. Ever since, if you look at this account, they have only been buying and buying. Okay, even at these 69 cents, I mean, they're not buying huge amounts of coins, but they're dollar cost averaging, and they're buying like 150, 60. So they are still buying. They're not selling. So if you're someone who is trading Dogecoin, so my point, or even any crypto, just take a look at this site and follow all those big guys, what they're doing and what they're up to, because those are the guys moving the price. And that's pretty much it for this video. That's all I wanted to share, and I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.